How you're going to tint your blinkers on your motorbike is you just get cling wrap or glad wrap. Just glad wrap. And just put it over anywhere you reckon you're going to get paint on. So cover all your forks up, a bit of masking tape. Chuck a hole in it and should be right. Real easy thing to do. When you go do it, just do it a bit far away. Don't get it on your brakes. Just do a test, couple tests. That looks bad. Oh no. Just a couple light coats and then you don't want to overdo them. I did a bad job on that one. That was alright. I might actually wipe that one off. It's fixed her up. She's a bit dark, but probably a bit illegal, but no, should be right. Looks good. Make sure you have garage door open too. I just used nightshades. $20 from Super Cheap Auto. These are illegal, so looks good.